Meteorologist Brooke Silverang stopped by each emergency operations center on the Treasure Coast and Okeechobee County to get their messages for their community.
On October 9th of 2024, as Hurricane Milton was approaching Florida's Gulf Coast, it produced 19 tornadoes within its outer bands across east central Florida, the strongest being an EF3 tornado, which impacted this area right here. October 9th, 2024, multiple tornadoes were reported throughout the day, some just minutes apart. One of them caused EF1 to EF3 damage across Fort Pierce and Vero Beach.
When it hit that mobile home community or manufactured home community there, they just were not ready.
We spoke to officials across the Treasure Coast and Okeechobee County to hear about the lessons they learned and what their biggest message is to residents heading into the 2025 hurricane season.
And my message to my citizen is, I'd rather talk with you tomorrow than about you tomorrow.
St. Lucie County Emergency Operations also wants to make sure residents take evacuation orders seriously.
We always encourage those people in vulnerable communities such as the manufactured homes, mobile homes, low-lying areas or flood-prone areas to seek shelter, whether it's at one of our facilities or with friends and families where they probably feel most comfortable, but to always have that plan.
Over in Indian River County, officials agree that having a plan before, during, and after a storm is critical.
Basically prepare for anything. We have an open mind to any possible catastrophe that can happen.
Making sure that people realize they need to have at least 7 days of food and water and that they're able to be self-sufficient in a post-storm scenario.
In Okeechobee County, there were 2 strong EF2 tornadoes and multiple EF1s.
It's definitely going to have us more prepared. It's kind of expect unexpected. We always know that there's a potential for tornadoes, but to actually see that many that day, I mean, there was just so many across South Florida and across South Central Florida. So it's definitely got us a little more on the lookout and to be more prepared.
Martin County officials want to stress that there are impacts outside of the cone.
I think it's real important, and I think it's a valuable lesson that we learned the past hurricane season with our unprecedented amount of tornado touchdowns, was it's not just about the cone and where the cone is located.